Shuman from Shuman Legal. We are at West Town Bikes in Chicago, speaking with Eli Faber, head technician, about bicycle safety. How you doing, Eli?
I'm doing all right, Mark.
So today we're going to talk about bicycle care and maintenance. How often should you replace the brakes on your bike?
Well, for rim brakes, you should typically replace them when they wear down to the wear line. So I have two examples right here that I brought. Here is a brand new mountain bike rim brake pad. You can see this wear line right here. Your rim will start to eat away at this rubber, and when it gets down to the line, you should replace it. Here's one where you can see it's been very worn down. It's coming close to the line right here. With disc brakes, it's a little harder to tell. When the pad wears down past 1 millimeter, it should be replaced. The width of 3 business cards is approximately 1 millimeter. So if you put it up next to your pad, you can check it against that.
With respect to bike tires, how long are bike tires good for?
If you ride every day, you should typically replace your tires every 6 months. Your rear tire wears a lot faster than the front since most of your weight is on the rear tire, so it's not too uncommon to have to replace the rear one twice before replacing the front one.
And do you also test the treads on a tire?
Yeah, you can, quite the same way as with a brake. There's a tread on the tire here. I'll show it to the camera. Once this tread starts to wear down and the tire starts to look bald, that means it's time to replace it.
And on the bike itself, how often should you lubricate the bike chain?
A typical rule, if you ride every day, is lubricate your chain once a month.
Is that something a person could do at home, or is that something they need to bring into the shop?
You can definitely do it at home. Just make sure you're buying bike-specific lubricant. All you need to do is drip it over the chain as you rotate the cranks backwards.
Thank you very much.